Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
So we're on the way right now to look at this beautiful lady's wedding venue. She's getting married.
That one.
How many days is it? Is this 3? 2. 2?
Yeah, we're gonna take one of those barrels and put the cake on it.
Oh,
that's cute.
Okay.
Look at that little baby on the left.
Oh my god.
Hurry, hurry, I can't see him.
I'll scare it
Look
off
at
if I
him,
were.
look at him.
Oh!
Dude.
Oh my god, that one has the most cutest face I've ever seen. There's a baby cow all by itself out in this random field, and all of its family is like a mile that way. Is she mooing?
Yeah, she's moving.
Oh!
Maddie said lunchtime.
No! She's do they bite? What if it's a fully grown bull?
That's what I thought, and then it stands up. It's a baby. It's a baby.
Well, we're really far from it right now. Uh-oh. Oh shit. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared. Come on, let's go! Holy shit, it's coming with us. Come on! Don't go that way. There's no one that way. Come on! Come on! No! No! I have had it up to here with this baby cow. There he is. Okay.
Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin.
That has to be the prettiest thing I've ever seen. My camera's scaring him.
Come here, baby.
Oh my god. He got so close that time. Although he looks like he's going to our car. He is ready. He's headed in the right direction. We just gotta go intercept him and make sure he gets back to the family. She must have seen where he went.
Where'd he go?
She was not looking. You didn't see him? He came right here.
You think that's him?
That's him. Yay, Moo Moo!
You did it!
We got you, boy. Or girl. Not you, you weird fucker. Hey, Grandpa Jack. Alright, so it's the wedding eve, and we are actually like an hour and a half away from the rehearsal dinner.
Which is in 15 minutes.
Yeah, we just got our hair done, and now we're walking down this cute little boardwalk.
I was going to say something. Aye, aye, Captain.
But seriously, look how good we look. Let me show you your hair. Yes. Alright, and I'll show my hair.
Ooh, girl. Okay. I know illegal things.
We're about to get blown away in a tsunami. Are you kidding? Are your armpits shaved? Yes. I'm assuming there's music playing. Okay, cool. Yes, I will be there soon. Okay, bye. Great news. They're nowhere near eating. Was that wrong? That was the most acting I've ever seen in my life.
Alright. Oh, can you see my phone?
Just say the news. God.
Okay, great news. They're nowhere near eating. She's gonna get free food. That's the worst.
Okay, so if you couldn't tell, I was trying to have her reenact that.
Great news. They're not near eating.
Great news. They're no longer near eating.
Let me do it again. Hallafrickin-lolio. They're nowhere near eating today.
An hour and a half late. Oh, I want to check in and see how our baby cow is doing.
I know. Maybe on the way out if it's not too dark. So like going through the trees and stuff.
You want me to take a picture of it?
It's recording. It's recording right now.
Practice parents
You and Mike and Josh, okay?
You are Josh.
I need direction.
You're Josh.
You walk right on there.
Perfect.
Yes.
You know how that works, right?
Oh wow, this music is really happening, huh?
Yes! Come on, Mom.
Caitlin. Wow.
Really? We're folding in on the belt. This is serious. You guys gotta be a little closer.
It's the big day, and I don't know why I'm stressed out. One, I can't find my lens cap, and I really need to bring that. There it is. Two, I don't have my dress yet. I gotta go pick it up. So we're about to leave right now, pick up the dress as we head to the venue, and I'm just gonna get dressed in the store, I guess. Oh my god. I'm so out of shape. Oh, bye. Got my dress. We're here to take pictures. Hey, Miss Foodie. What you doing? You ready to get married? Oh, princess. Oh, princess. Since it's May the 4th, aka May the 4th be with you, we're doing Padawan braids.
Where would you like it? These earrings, right? Yes. Those the ones that Granny picked out.
Silver, Hawaii! Hey, baby, they got throwing heads out here.
They just slide in the trunk. Is the trunk empty? I don't know.
Your upper body on the floor. Drop in. Drop in on the head.
Oh dear God.
We in your way?
Nope.
I wish them the best luck because they're going to need it.
I would love to announce Mr. and Mrs. Bonnie Britt.
There are
Mom's right here!
Rock, rock, rock.